Jose's Amazing Space Adventure. Jose and Joaquin were not just brothers, they were the best of friends. Every day, they played together, imagining great adventures. Joaquin, with his round, wide eyes, wanted to be a pilot and fly airplanes. Jose, the lovable boy with eyes full of wonder, had an even bigger dream. He wanted to become an astronaut and have his own spaceship. Jose once told his family, "One day, I will have a spaceship so I can bring Ate Divine, Ate Len, and Ate Jen home fast whenever they will miss their families, and I will change the world." Mommy Joyce and Daddy Kino always encourage their dreams. If you work hard and never give up, anything is possible, they would say. One evening, after a fun day of playing, Jose and Joaquin looked out the window at the twinkling stars. "I wish I could fly to space right now," Jose whispered. Suddenly, something magical happened. His room began to glow. A soft voice called out, "Jose, Joaquin, your dreams are about to come true." Before they could blink, a dazzling spaceship appeared right outside their window. A door slid open and a kind-looking astronaut smiled at them. "Come aboard, young explorers. Jose, this is your spaceship, built just for you." Jose's eyes sparkled with excitement. Joaquin held his hand. "Let's go, Jose." Inside the spaceship, buttons and levers blinked in bright colors. The astronaut handed Jose a shiny silver helmet. "You're the captain, Jose. Joaquin, you'll be the co-pilot." "Wow!" Joaquin cheered. First mission, the astronaut announced, taking Ate Divine, Ate Len, and Ate Jen home safely. Jose grinned. "Let's do it!" With a loud whoosh, the spaceship zoomed through the sky. In the blink of an eye, they reached the homes of their loving nannies. Each one hugged them tightly. "Thank you, Jose. You made our wish come true." After their first mission, the spaceship soared higher, past the clouds, beyond the moon, and into the endless wonders of space. They saw glowing stars, floating rocks, and even a friendly alien who waved at them. Then something amazing happened. They saw a little blue planet crying. "Why are you sad?" Jose asked. "I am Earth," the planet said. "I am sick because people are not taking care of me." Jose felt his heart swell with determination. "I will change the world, just like I promised." Together, Jose and Joaquin used their spaceship to clean the oceans, plant trees, and spread kindness. As they worked, the earth smiled brighter and brighter. After completing their mission, the spaceship gently landed back home. Mommy Joyce, Daddy Kino, Kuya Jake, and Teacher Vivian were waiting. "You did it, Jose," Mommy Joyce said, hugging him tight. "You made the world better," Daddy Kino added. Jose beamed, "And I will keep dreaming, keep learning, and keep helping others." That night, as Jose and Joaquin snuggled into bed, Jose whispered, "One day, I will build a real spaceship." Joaquin smiled, "And I will fly airplanes beside you." As the stars twinkled above, Mommy Joyce kissed their foreheads. "Dream big, my little explorers. The world needs dreamers like you." And with that, Jose and Joaquin drifted off to sleep, dreaming of even greater adventures ahead. Through their adventures, Jose and Joaquin learned that hard work and determination can make dreams come true. Helping others brings joy and makes the world a better place. We must take care of our planet just like it takes care of us. And family and love make every adventure even more special. The end.